Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm coming at you guys with an unboxing video, and I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of what I got coming up for the wagon. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's what we got going into the wagon. It is from Skar Audio. I did open the box just because on the outside of the box it has a label for a SDR 12, and I just wanted to make sure that what I got in the box is actually what I wanted to unbox for you guys, because I'm actually going with 8s in the wagon. So I'll be going with 2 SDR 8s. I'm going with the 4 ohm version because we're going to wire those down to 1 ohm. So let me put the camera down so I can get one out and we can see what they look like. Another box. Let me put the camera down so we can get that one out. All right, and here we go. Let's see what we got. So in the box we got the user's manual. Once again, I'm going with the 4 ohm series, 2 of them, some box specifications, Skar Audio decal. Let's take a look at this sub, man. I can't wait to see it. I'll put the camera down so I can take it out of the packaging. And there it is, Skar Audio SDR 8. It's got a nice little magnet for a little 8-inch. It's got decent weight to it. You see, I couldn't unbox it with just one hand. I couldn't unbox it with just one hand, I'm saying. Feels pretty stiff. Definitely going to take a little bit of time to break these in. But there you guys have it, sneak peek. This is what I'll be putting into the wagon here soon, hopefully. If you guys have any experience with these or any comments, questions, hey, y'all hit me up and let me know. Y'all stay safe out there.